हेलो माय लवली डियर फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। माइंडियोलॉजी की एक नए वीडियो में आप सभी लोगों का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। सो गाइस, आज के इस वीडियो में हम एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं, which is very very contemporary these days. It happens in the office, it happens at the personal life or any gathering with friends, family, anywhere. Yes, we're talking about sarcasm. Yes, sarcasm is lies somewhere between a humor or a joke, or at times a kind of an insult which people take it in that way, right? So काफ़ी बार ऐसा होता है, हम में से बहुत सारे लोग किसी भी जगह पर sarcasm को handle नहीं कर पाते हैं. At times there are people who cry, who leave from that place, or not able to handle it properly. So in today's video, we are going to talk about the sarcasm at work. So we're going to talk about some really important and beneficial ways to handle sarcasm at work. So if you're interested in this topic and would like to know more about it, then I would request you to please watch this video till end to get the best out of it. So let's start it. Welcome to Mindiology, the platform for skills, lifestyle, and career development. I'm your host Sindos Deepak from the team Mindiology. So let's start the video. The first and the very important trick when you handle the sarcasm at work, that maintain self-control. Yes, it is very very important that we should maintain self-control when we witness the sarcasm at work. Self-control रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. काफ़ी बार ऐसा होता है, किसी ने मुझे sarcastically बोला, हाँ आप तो बहुत ही अच्छा काम करते हो, or you're really good at it. You can see the tone, you can feel the tone that how the people or the other person is saying. आपने एकदम से react कर दिया, आप you bombarded badly or something, you said something which was not supposed to be said, even very very harsher than what the other person said. Or for example, you left that place very very getting emotional on that. So that you need to do, maintain a self control. सबसे पहले self control करना ज़रूरी है. देखिए वो किस तरीके से क्या करे, उसके बाद बड़ी इंटेलिजेंटली इस चीज़ का जवाब देना बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट. तो उसके लिए सबसे पहले सेल्फ कंट्रोल रखना ज़रूरी है कि आप इमीडिएटली रिएक्ट ना करें, जबकि रिस्पॉन्स दे. इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट माय फ्रेंड. Now moving on to the next thing, that's very very important thing, that give the sarcastic an empty look. Yes, एक empty look, एक खाली तरीके का रिस्पॉन्स उनको दीजिए. don't smile or don't give any kind of reaction kind of a thing or emotional kind of a thing on your face. Just give an empty look, but the empty look has to be assertive. They should get a kind of response that definitely you didn't like that particular thing, and at the same time they should be getting this response that it doesn't matter to you are not bothered about it. क्योंकि ये मैसेज जाना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि उससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. क्योंकि काफ़ी लोग sarcasm को यूज़ इसीलिए करते हैं, when they know that आपको इफेक्ट होता है, then they do it intentionally to shatter you, to break you, कि हाँ देखते हैं ये आगे ट्रिगर होके और क्या कहते हैं. The people could be so mean that when they know this is your weakness, they will say those things intentionally so that आप रिएक्शन में आके बहुत कुछ कर जाओ जो आपको नहीं करना है, and then those people can play the victim card. So it's very very important that you should give them an empty look. It's really essential to understand that. And last but not the least, which is very very important and part of this, is that you need to deal with that ugly comment या किसी ने भी जो sarcastic comment डाला है, that's not been my experience. किसी ने अगर कोई ऐसा comment दिया है आपको और या कुछ भी बोला है, you can say that that's not been my experience, or you might say I don't see it in that way, right? किसी ने अगर बोला कि यार आपका तो काम ठीक नहीं है, या आप ये ठीक नहीं करते, आपका लुक ठीक नहीं है, whatsoever they are saying, then you say those things that I don't see it in that way and that's not been my experience. Maybe something related to any such situation जिसको अपनी तरीके से रखना चाह रहे हैं, नेगेटिव वे में पोर्ट्रे करना चाह रहे हैं, आप उसका इस तरीके से रिप्लाई कर सकते हैं. right? So that's it for today, my friends. I hope आपको ये चीज़ें समझ में आई होंगी, and you can apply these, very very short tricks and techniques when you face certain situation in your life at work. Then definitely you can use that and you'll see the good results. So if you found this video useful and helpful, then do share with your friends, family, and colleagues so that they can also take help from this video and move ahead in their life. And if you love the content of the videos of Mindiology and you like us, then please do subscribe to our channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get the latest update from us always on time, my friends. And do share your feedbacks, suggestions, and comments into the comment box, or you can write us at infomindiology@gmail.com and let us know what you think and feel about Mindiology, because it's our own channel. So that's it for today, my friends. We shall meet next week with yet another interesting and knowledgeable episode for all of you. Till then, please keep loving Mindiology like you always do, and do take a very good care of yourself. I wish you a wonderful and a blessed day ahead. Bye-bye.